Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus VSCodium. Both are powerful code editors, but they have key differences. VS Code is Microsoft's popular offering, built on open-source foundations, while VSCodium is a community-driven, fully open-source distribution. We'll explore their core functionalities and what sets them apart, helping you decide which editor best suits your development needs and preferences. A major distinction lies in telemetry and licensing. VS Code includes proprietary Microsoft branding and sends usage data back to Microsoft. VSCodium, however, meticulously removes all Microsoft-specific telemetry and proprietary bits, ensuring a completely open-source experience. While both share the MIT license for their core source code, VSCodium offers a purer, privacy-focused alternative for developers. When it comes to extensions, both editors boast a vast ecosystem. VS Code directly accesses the Visual Studio Marketplace, offering over 40,000 extensions to enhance functionality. VSCodium typically utilizes the Open VSX registry, a vendor-neutral marketplace. While its selection might be slightly smaller, it still provides an extensive array of tools, ensuring you can customize your environment effectively. In terms of performance and user experience, you'll find them largely similar. Both are built on the same underlying Electron framework, meaning their speed and responsiveness are nearly identical. The user interface and core features are virtually indistinguishable, providing a consistent development experience. Ultimately, VSCodium offers a compelling choice for users prioritizing privacy and open-source purity without sacrificing functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.